Hello, and welcome to this lesson on password hygiene. Password hygiene is essential to your cyber well-being and shouldn't be taken lightly. Security breaches happen all the time and they contain usernames, passwords, and other personal information that can be sold on the dark web. That means if you haven't changed your password in a while, you could be at risk to having your account hijacked. First, I'll go over the biggest password no-nos and then provide some tips on creating a strong password. Password no-no number 1 is never make your password or something that is easily guessed. Avoid using simple adjacent keyboard combinations. For example, QWERTY or asdzxc and 123456. These are bad passwords and are easy to guess. Never use the same password on multiple sites, because if your information is stolen from a data breach that happens on one site, now the bad guys can potentially have access to all your other accounts. Password no-no number 2. Do not reuse passwords. When popular email servers get hacked, the list of compromised email addresses and passwords are often leaked online. If your account is compromised and you use this email address and password combination across multiple sites, your information can be easily used to get into any of your accounts. Use unique passwords for everything. Password no-no number 3. Avoid using obvious personal information, such as your birthday, anniversary, address, city of birth, high school, relatives, and pet names. Do not include them in your password. If you are required to choose security questions and answers when creating an online account, select ones that are not obvious to someone browsing your social media accounts. Password no-no number 4. Keep your password under wraps. Don't give your passwords to anyone else. Do not plaster your passwords on a sticky note on your work computer. If you are storing a list of passwords or password hint sheet on your computer in a document file, name the file something random so it isn't a dead giveaway to snoopers. Now let's get into how you would create a strong password. Strong password tip number 1, make your password long. Some of the easiest to remember passwords aren't words at all, but collections of words from a phrase or sentence. Perhaps the opening sentence to your favorite novel, or the opening line to a good joke. Length is key. Strong password tip number 2. Include numbers, symbols, uppercase and lowercase letters. Randomly mix up symbols and numbers with letters. You could substitute a 0 for the letter O or the @ sign for the letter A. For example, if your password is a phrase, consider capitalizing the first letter of each new word, which will be easier for you to remember. Well, that ends our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.